Mind blown by this video? You can create visual masterpieces exactly like this, or even better, and rake in millions of views. It is 100% free using AI. Today, I am breaking down the exact workflow from scratch, so you can do it too. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Grab the master prompt linked in the description below and copy the entire text. Jump into ChatGPT, paste the code, and hit enter. The AI will immediately drop 10 unique, highly detailed concepts. For this guide, we are rolling with example number 5, the cosmic serpent. ChatGPT now provides us perfectly structured prompts, 2 for our images and 1 for the video motion. Next, open Google Flow and start a new project. Dial in your settings. Choose image mode, select the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio for shorts, and set the batch to ×3, so we get multiple options. Copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow and hit generate. A few seconds later, you have 3 variations. Delete the 2 weak ones and keep the absolute best shot. Now for the crucial part, keeping the style locked. Copy the second image prompt. Drag and drop your winning first image into the reference box to maintain exact consistency. Paste the new prompt, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. Just like before, trash the 2 you don't like and keep the masterpiece. We now have our perfect start and end frames ready. Let's bring this to life. Switch your flow settings to video mode and select frames. Keep the size at 9:16 and change the batch to X1. Drag image 1 directly into the start frame slot and drop image 2 into the end frame slot. Finally, copy that video motion prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and click generate. In just moments, your hyper-realistic AI video is fully animated, completely free, and ready to break the internet.